there, and welcome to the MT2 Trading Platform tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to use the pending signals feature that our platform offers. This feature will allow you to load a list of pending trades, configure trading amounts and martingale strategy, and have them automatically placed for you on your favorite brokers at a specific time and day. In order to open this feature, you need to head to Tools and click on Pending Signals. From the pending list feature, you'll be able to both import trade lists from problematic analysts' catalogers and add pending signals manually. Let's start with adding pending signals manually. The first step will be to define all the signal information, starting with a symbol, expiration, open time, direction, call or put, and the signal name. The next step will be to define trading amounts. You will either establish a fixed amount for your trade or a percentage of your account balance, with the possibility of choosing a minimum trade amount. The following step will be to decide if you are using martingale strategy or not. You'll be able to choose with different types of martingale, steps and coefficient. Once you finish this, you just need to click the Add Signal button and the trade will be added to the Pending Signals sub-window on the bottom. Here you'll be able to visualize all the pending signals with the available information. The last step will be to click on Apply, and your signal will now be set as your pending MT2 platform trades table, where the specified table and time of your system comes. These trades will be placed automatically for you. Now let's see how the import signal lists directly from catalogers. As you can see, in the top left corner of the window, you'll find a drop-down menu with a list of supported catalogers formats and an empty text box below that. The first step will be to choose your list format and import it. To do so, you will either paste the list directly on the text box or import the file by using the import button. The next step will be to define the trading amount. You will either establish a fixed amount for your trades or a percentage of the account balance, with the possibility of choosing a minimum trade amount. The following step will be to decide if you'll be using martingale strategy or not. You'll be able to choose within different types of martingale, steps and coefficient. Once you've finished, you will need to click the Import Signals button and the list will be added to the Pending Signals sub-window on the bottom. Here you'll be able to visualize all of your pending signals with the available information. The last step will be to click on Apply. Your signals will now be set as pending on your MT2 trading platform tables. Here the specified dates and time of your system comes and these trades will be placed automatically for you. And that's all for this video. We hope that you find the tutorial video useful. Regards from the MT2 team.